Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am currently shoeless, but I have a solution to that. These are some shoes here. So these are new men's wide slip-on barefoot walking shoes. So let's see how these are. These should be some super comfy shoes, I guess is the idea with it. So let's take these off here. This is, I don't know, micro pack something. I don't know if that's just a sticker that was on there or from the packaging. Don't know. So it's by I don't know, VNANV. Okay. It's got this plastic backing. There we go. So this is what they look like here. You see they are kind of like sneakers, but they are very soft. There's some, what's that? Oh, that's another little tag thing with their name on it. And then, so this is what it looks like here. And I'll take that off. I guess I think I got size 8.5. Don't know if it says it on there. But then, let's see. It says size 42, whatever 42 means. So let's see if it fits. So let's kind of aim you guys down here as I'm trying it on for the first time. I'm not going to undo the shoelaces even. Clean off my foot. And fit it in there. These are nice wide shoes, that's for sure. So if you have a wide foot or you have any kind of foot, thing like that, it's definitely going to fit. So let's see what we got here. What does it say on the tag? It says the perfect combination of minimalist leisure and natural walking style. The wide toe spacing provides the best space for the toes and has a detachable insole and a non-slip wear resistant rubber sole. So let's see. I'm going to check out this. Oh, I know why they put that little plastic on there to cover up their little logo here, so it doesn't get ruined. But let's just see what the insole, if we can take that out. This is what the insole looks like. It's got a nice little rubber feel to it, but it does have an arch support in there. Put that back in there. Oh, there's the paper in it. There we go. And here it is back there. So let's try it on this foot here as well. I did not do a very good job of putting it back in. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Now I have my foot in both sides, and let's go for a little walk here. Let's just walk around, see how it feels. But these are super comfortable, and man, it's got so much space for my toes. It's nice. I'd say these are pretty comfortable. They're nice. It's not going to have it's not like a sneaker where it's going to have a ton of support on the bottom. I mean, as I'm walking, I can kind of feel the bottom, but these would be great for just walking around the house or being comfortable or something like that. Let me just try to cinch up the laces and see if it makes much of a difference. I mean, they did fit pretty good just putting them on, but let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can do this. So if I tighten up the shoelaces, yeah, I mean, I kind of like them slip-on style, so I'm going to say I would leave them loose. So, but very cool. I like them. These are really nice shoes. So I'm going to say a thumbs up from me on these shoes. So pick up some of these. Oh, maybe they're VNANV. I guess VNANV is the brand, whatever. So if you can say it, you can buy it. Thumbs up. Awesome.